go to the airport. I'm wearing a really basic outfit because I'm gonna be in the plane for 5 hours, so I need something comfy. And here is my very small backpack where I have everything. And then I have my Uniqlo bag that I'm gonna carry like this with all my essentials, like documents and stuff. And I love these earrings. Unrelated, but I'm gonna go. There was the nicest view from the plane, and then I landed, and you can see there the beautiful mountain, red mountain. And then we went to the beach a little bit and we walked. It was like sunset hour. We just walked, and yeah, these are some clips from the beach. This was the next day. Since we had rented a car, we decided to travel a little bit around the island. And so I put some clip of the day in here, and I will try, if I remember where we were, to put the name of the places so you can have a little bit of an idea of where we went and where maybe you should go if you're visiting Tenerife. I really like this beach, and I really like this kind of restaurant here. I wanted to have breakfast there, but it was still closed. And you can see that we drove a lot. My boyfriend drove. I don't enjoy driving. And we see a lot of beautiful landscapes. This is me asking my boyfriend to take a video of me for this video. Here we were in a little city and we had a little snack. We drank some orange juice and then we went to the beach. And here are some clips of the beach. It was really beautiful because the sand was super black, but the waves were really strong and the water really cold. So we didn't really get that much into the water, but it was beautiful. And then we drove a lot to go like not on top of the volcano, how do you say volcano? But like not on top but close to the top. You can see the view that is really peculiar and beautiful. This was the most beautiful spot. You can see the Taide, the volcano. Here's my boyfriend taking pictures. And I love the flowers or the plants that you could see there. It was really a beautiful and unique place. And this is the day, not this is still the volcano. And this is the day after. We went to another beach in Santa Cruz. It was really beautiful. I really loved the landscape and what you could see from being in the water. It was so nice. And then we drove a bit more and we arrived in this special, really unique spot where you can see these clouds that are always moving toward the mountain, and the cloud allows the mountain to have the water to be able to grow the trees. So it's really special because in this side of the island you have trees and plants because of these clouds, but there are some other parts of the island which are all like without the plants. And the day after, which was my last day, we went to Los Cristianos and I went to Zara and I saw some nice things like this jumpsuit and this dress. I really liked it, but I couldn't really shop because I had limited space in my backpack. This was the beach, and then we walked a little bit and we had lunch. We ate some seafood, and then we went up into the mountain. No, up to the volcano, not the mountain, and we drove a little bit. And then we took, I don't know how it's called in English, I think the cableway to go up into, like, on top of the volcano. Like, it occurred to me that I said volcano for the video, but it's actually volcano. Sorry. So we went up and it was like the most amazing, unique place I have ever been to. Like, it's so beautiful. It seems like you're on the moon or on Mars. Like, it's so unique. There are also some information if you want to read, I don't know. We were also really lucky because we managed to book like the ticket just for 5 p.m. but my plane was at like 8 p.m. so it was a bit like we didn't have that much time to walk around, but we went a bit earlier, like 3 p.m. and we managed to get up earlier, so we had all the time to walk around and then have a little snack before going to the airport. And here are some more clips of the volcano. And then my boyfriend drove me to the airport, sadly.